Warm wishes to one another. Myself, my name is Sai Kiran. I am Max faculty in Velamal IIT Foundation. Today's our topic is problems on some trigonometric identities. Just see the one that we have another problem. 1 minus sin square x by 1 plus cos x plus 1 plus cos x by sin x minus sin x by 1 minus cos x. Just here one the how we can simplify this one. Just I am writing 1 minus sin square x. Can I write 1 minus cos square x? Why? Because for the first identity we can use sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. We want sin square x means 1 minus cos square x by, you can write 1 plus cos x. Okay, just when you take the LCM of these two, what we are getting, once you can observe. Okay, when you take the LCM of these two is nothing but product of those two only, sin x into 1 minus cos x. 1 minus cos x. Okay, sin x is how many times? Means 1 minus cos x times 1 minus cos x into 1 plus cos x. What we can get? 1 plus cos x into 1 minus cos x. Okay, minus is there. Minus 1 minus cos x how many times? Means sin x times. Sin x into sin x, sin square x. Just here once of the, in the same way, just here 1 minus cos square x can be written as, we can write 1 square minus cos square. Okay, it can be looking like as a square minus b square. A square minus b square. That means what we can write? 1 minus here a square minus b square means a plus b. 1 plus cos x into 1 minus cos x whole by 1 plus cos x. Okay, here again a plus b into a minus b means what we can write? A square minus b square. That means 1 minus, okay, a 1 square minus cos square x minus sin square x by sin x into 1 minus cos x. Just here once of the 1 plus cos x, 1 plus cos x cancel. Just what is left? 1 minus of 1 minus cos x. Minus we can multiply inside means minus 1, minus into minus plus cos x. Okay, plus here 1 minus cos square x means what we can write? Sin square x we can write. Sin square x we can write. By using first identity, what is first identity? Just here one of the sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. We want a sin square x, we are using 1 minus cos square x. We are using just this formula. What is that? Sin square x minus sin square x whole by sin x into 1 minus cos x. Just here once of these two cancel. That means numerator becomes 0. Numerator becomes 0 means 0 by anything is 0. Here minus 1 plus 1 cancel. Then what you are getting? Cos x. Here it is entire is 0 plus 0. That means we are getting. We can observe next example. Just here answer the sin square alpha by 1 plus cos square alpha plus tan square alpha by 1 plus tan square alpha whole square plus cos square alpha. By using trigonometric identities, we can solve this question. Just here answer the, we know the trigonometric identities. Sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is equal to 1. Secant square alpha minus tan square alpha is equal to 1. Cosecant square alpha minus cot square alpha is equal to 1. Okay, just here one of the, okay, for the third identity once again observe cosecant square alpha minus cot square alpha is equal to 1. Minus cot square alpha will send to that side means 1 plus cot square alpha is equal to what we can write? Cosecant square alpha. Just here answer the 1 plus cot square alpha, what we can write? Cosecant square alpha. That means what we can write? Sin square alpha by here cosecant square alpha we can write. In the same way, just here answer the tan square alpha by, okay, 1 plus tan square alpha minus tan square alpha will send to that side means 1 plus tan square alpha, that is nothing but secant square alpha, that is secant square alpha whole square it is there plus cos square alpha. Just here answer the, this is nothing but sin square alpha into 1 by cosecant square alpha we can write. It is nothing but into 1 by cosecant square alpha. 1 by cosecant square alpha is nothing but sin square alpha. Why? Because reciprocal of sin only. Just here once of the, in the same way here tan square alpha into 1 by secant power 4. Here sin secant square alpha whole square means secant power 4 alpha, that is nothing but okay 1 by secant power 4 alpha we can write as cos power 4 alpha, okay, plus cos square alpha. Just here once observe, this is nothing but sin power 4 alpha plus tan square alpha we can rewrite as sin square alpha by cos square alpha we can write now, into cos power 4 alpha plus cos square alpha. Just here once observe, here it is square times cancel, square times cancel, then what is left? Sin power 4 alpha plus sin square alpha into cos square alpha plus cos square alpha. Just here also for these two what we can take common means sin square alpha we can take common. Whenever we are taking sin square alpha is common, here one more sin square alpha is left plus here cos square alpha plus cos square alpha. Just here once observe, this is nothing but sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is equal to 1, that is first identity. That means sin square alpha into 1, this is identity 1, into 1 means again sin square alpha plus what is left? Cos square alpha. Sin square alpha plus cos square alpha value is 1. You can observe the next question. Secant theta plus tan theta is equal to p. Then we have to find the values of secant theta, tan theta, sin theta in terms of p. Not only these are other trigonometric ratios also we can find. Okay, that means how we can find? Just here once the secant theta plus tan theta is equal to p they are given. Okay, we know one of the identity okay related to secant and cosecant, that means secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Okay, by using this identity we know some of the formulas. What is that means? Secant theta minus tan theta is equal to what we can write means 1 by secant theta plus tan theta. Okay, 1 by secant theta plus tan theta. What is secant theta plus tan theta value means? P. That means what we are getting? Secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by p we are getting, and again I am writing what is given, secant theta plus tan theta is equal to p they are given. When you add these two, tan theta cancel, then 2 secant theta is equal to okay 1 by p plus p, 1 by p plus p, that is nothing but 2 secant theta is equal to, when you take the p's LCM, then what you are getting means 1 by 1 plus p square. Okay, we want secant theta is equal to 2, will send to that side means 1 plus p square by 2p. We are getting the secant theta in terms of p means what we are getting 1 plus p square by 2p. In the same way when you subtract these two we can get tan theta. Okay, just or otherwise you can go with another manner. How we can do means secant theta is equal to 1 plus p square by 2p we are getting. Okay, that means when you take here it is nothing but hypotenuse by adjacent only, na? Hypotenuse by adjacent. When you take a right angle triangle, here it is theta means this will become opposite, this will become adjacent, this will become hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is what we are getting 1 plus p square. Adjacent what we are getting 2p. Okay, we want to find opposite. How we can find opposite? Okay, that means by using Pythagoras theorem we can find. What is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square 1 plus p square whole square is equal to opposite square plus 2p whole square. Okay, plus 2p whole square will send to that side means what we are getting? Opposite square is equal to what we are getting? 1 plus p square whole square minus it is nothing but 4p square. 4p square, that is nothing but just here once observe, here 1 plus p square whole square, can I write like this 4 into 1 into p square? Okay, why? Because just here once observe, a plus b whole square minus 4ab, a plus b whole square minus 4ab, that is nothing but what we can write means okay a minus b whole square, a plus b whole square minus 4ab, that is nothing but a minus b whole square. That means opposite square is equal to what we can write means 1 minus p square whole square, 1 minus p square whole square. Just here once observe, here we can write a 1 plus p square we can write, or p square plus 1 also we can write. That means OR here what we can write, p square minus 1 whole square also we can write. Okay, we want opposite, that means opposite is equal to what we can write, 1 minus p square we can write, or p square minus 1 we can write. That means this is nothing but, what is the opposite means 1 minus p square or p square minus 1. Okay, that means we want tan theta. We want tan theta. What is tan theta? What is tan theta means opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent means if you are taking this is a opposite means what you are getting, 1 minus p square by 2p or we can write p square minus 1 by 2p. Okay, in the same way sin theta. What is sin theta? What is sin theta means opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse. What is opposite? If you are taking this is opposite means 1 minus p square by 1 plus p square or what we can write, p square minus 1 by, okay, p square plus 1 also we can write. Now 1 plus p square means nothing but that one only. In the same way they are asking other trigonometric identity, so we can write same thing. Okay. The next example, 2 sin square theta minus cos square theta is equal to 2. We want to find the theta value. That means 2 sin square theta minus cos square theta is equal to 2 means either we can change either sin or cos. I will change as cos in terms of sin. How we can change is, for the first identity we can change into sin. That means 2 sin square theta minus here 1 minus sin square theta we can write, which is equal to 2. Okay, minus we can multiply inside means what we are getting, 2 sin square theta minus 1 minus into minus plus sin square theta is equal to 2. Minus 1 will send to that side means plus 1. Then okay, 2 sin square theta plus sin square theta is 3 sin square theta minus 1 go to that side means 2 plus 1. This will become 3. That means we want sin square theta value. Sin square theta is equal to 3 by 3. 3 by 3 means 1. That means okay, we want sin theta value. Sin theta is equal to what we are getting, square root of 1 value. Square root of 1 value is 1. That means sin theta is equal to 1. Sin which angle is 1 means theta must be 90 degrees. In the same way, just here one of the fifth one. Okay, when you take the LHS, what is LHS they are given? Tan theta plus 2 into 2 tan theta plus 1. Okay. In generally we can multiply these two, what we are getting, tan theta into 2 tan theta, 2 tan square theta, tan theta into 1 plus tan theta. Okay, 2 into 2 tan theta, that is 4 tan theta. Okay, 2 into 1 plus 2. Okay, when you simplify this one, 2 into tan square theta we can rewrite where for the identity secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Tan square theta means secant square theta minus 1 we can write now. Okay, plus 5 tan theta plus 2. When you multiply these two, what you are getting, 2 secant square theta minus 2 plus 5 tan theta plus 2. Then these two become cancelled. When you simplify that one, okay, we are getting 2 secant square theta plus 5 tan theta. Okay, here just we can see change here 2 secant square theta. Okay, just here one of the, by using trigonometric identities we can show somewhat result like this. Just here one of the, observe the first one. What is there given? Secant square theta plus cosecant square theta is equal to secant square theta into cosecant square theta. How we can write? Okay, just here one of the, just okay, this one what we can write? Okay, we can write the reciprocal of cos only now. That means here what we can write, 1 by cos square theta plus, okay, here simply we can write this one also reciprocal of sin, 1 by sin square theta. When you take the LCM of these two, what we are getting LCM? That means what we are getting, cos square theta into sin square theta. When we are getting cos square theta sin square times sin square into 1 means sin square theta plus here sin square theta cos square times cos square into 1 means cos square theta. Observe the numerator, it is first identity. Then what you are getting, 1 by cos square theta into sin square theta. This is nothing but what you are getting? 1 by cos square theta into 1 by sin square theta. 1 by cos square theta is nothing but secant square theta into 1 by sin square theta is nothing but cosecant square theta. In the same way, just here ones of the, we can write second one also same thing. Here tan square theta minus sin square theta. Okay, they are given. We want to prove that tan square theta into sin square theta. In the same way, just here ones of the, take the reciprocal. What we are getting reciprocal? Okay, that means 1 by cot square theta minus here what we can write? 1 by cosecant square theta. When you take the LCM, then what you are getting? Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta whole by cot square theta into cosecant square theta. In the same way, if this is nothing but one of the identity only, then what you are getting? 1 by cot square theta into cosecant square theta. Again 1 by cot square theta means tan square theta into 1 by cosecant square theta means sin square theta. And similarly, third one also same thing. When you write the cot square theta into 1 by tan square theta, cos square theta we can rewrite as a 1 by secant square theta. When you take the LCM, we are getting the one more identity, secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Thank you.